do is open Blender, and we're going to get rid of this shape, and let's press X, delete. Now I'm going to go to File, Import, Scalable Vector Graphic, which is SVG. Navigate to the desktop. Now I already went ahead and created the SVG for you guys to make your life easy, but in the future there's another video that does the SVG conversion. So let's go ahead and open that up, import. Now when it comes in, it's actually there, but it's pretty small. So I'm going to select and I'm going to scale it by pressing S and pull. Okay, and I'm going to go do it again. G for grab. Uh-oh, not move. And S for scale. Okay. Now we have it. Now I'm going to go ahead and click off and then click on again so that it gives us the different options here. Okay. So now what we want to do is scale this up three-dimensional. There it is. So we click on the object context, go down to geometry, and let's click, bring that to 1, extrude out. Okay, so there we have it. Now let's take a look in the camera, see what it looks like. Okay, we could always fix this by positioning the camera. So let's set that right now so we lock the view. Right now is not view lock. So let's go press N. I'm going to go to view and I'm going to go to view lock, and we're going to lock the camera. Notice that there's a red line around it. Okay, so now I'm going to press G to bring my NFT logo in, and I'm going to scale the logo in just a tad smaller by pressing S. Okay, want to move it, press G and move this. So now let's view. That looks like it's in our camera view. Perfect. There it is. Now I'm going to go ahead and rotate this image so it sits up. To do that, we're going to click on the image, and then I'm going to go to rotate, press R. I'm going to press the Y axis. A Y allows you to move up and down. Press the G. X allows you to move side, and the Z, G to grab, Z allows you to move up and down. So let's click on rotate. So I'm pressing the X so I can rotate down. Click to position it. G. Let's press the Y, no, X, Z to move up. Okay, let's rotate. Now if you notice that it's actually it's above the line, so we're going to click on it again, and I'm going to press G to grab and Z to bring it down a little bit. Perfect. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to, when you click on it, you notice that it's grouped. So let's deselect. We want to make this separate because this is going to be purple and this is going to be orange. To do that, we're going to click tab. Okay, and I'm going to highlight this area by selecting that. Then I'm going to click the P to separate, and now it is separated. Okay, then I'm going to click tab, to click out. Now we have two separate objects ready to go. And those are the shortcuts. So now let's go here and turn this color to be, let's make that purple. So we go to materials. Notice that it has a set material. So let's delete that. Notice it turns white. New. Let's go to the color and let's add that color to purple. Now you can't see it because we're not in the view. So there it is. So notice that it turns purple. Okay, now let's change this to be what color? Orange. So we need to do what? Delete the material, minus, add a new color or material, it doesn't matter. But let's make that orange. Okay, so now we have a nice orange. Click. That looks good. So now let's position the light in a different location. Let's press G. Let's bring the light. Get a nice dramatic light on here. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a plane to give it a surface. To scale this plane up, we're going to press S and pull. Grab, position it nice. Now it's very important that you look at your object from your composition to make sure everything looks good. Now it seems like my light is under. So let's click on the light, G, and bring the light above. Okay, so I'm gonna rotate, press on the light, G. Let's rotate the light. G. Now you can, oh, that looks good. Different options you can play around with this. Let's change the point. You can also change the power of the light. Let's add another 0. Let's see what it looks like in the camera. Now remember the rules. How do we bring that back? You must hold shift, grab the other one, grab. Let's position it nice and neat. Now let's get back out of here. Now let's go ahead and add a light. What happened to our light here? Add a light point. Let's go ahead and pull that out. We can also delete the light of them over here. Right click, delete, light. So let's go ahead and add, there's no light, so let's add us a light again. Where is it at? Right here. Let's add a spot. No, we're not going to do a spot. Let's go ahead and add a point. G for graph. Now it's pretty weak, so that means we need to increase its power to 10. So let's increase that one. Let's see what happens. Beautiful. We just increased that. We want to move the light. Grab. Okay. So you have different options here. Let's see a spot. Let's see what it looks like. Sun, aerial. Let's press on a G. Okay. G, bring it in. Position it. I'm just playing around with the light. Let's put it on spot. Okay, like that, a little dramatic. If you like it, hit apply. And there it is in the camera. You know, you can always play around with your light depending on your preference. And that's pretty it. You can screenshot, you can render it out, export. Okay. Or you can render it out. Okay. And there you have it. Your logo ready to rock and roll. Make sure you take notes as you go.